Converting and ordering a set of fractions. Let's take the fractions 2/3, 3/4, 5/6 and 7/12 and say to ourselves that we want to put these fractions in order of size on a number line. The first thing we need to do is convert them to comparable fractions. The way to do that is get the denominator, the number on the bottom, the same in all examples of fractions. We need to find the lowest common multiple of the numbers that appear on the bottom of the fractions. The first thing to do is write out the times table of the denominators. So if we take the 3 times table, 3 is in the 3 times table, so we'll write that out. 6 is the next number in the 3 times table, then 9, then 12, then 15. We'll stop there. If we don't find the lowest common multiple, then we can extend our times tables. The next denominator we'll look at is the 4 of the 3/4, and we know that 4 appears in the 4 times table. We've got 8, we've got 12, and 16. We'll stop there for now. And then look at the number on the bottom of 5/6, the 6th. We'll write out the 6 times table. 6, 12, 18, 24. We could continue that, but we won't do for now. Finally, the 12 on the bottom of the 7/12. Well, we've got 12, 24, 36. You can only see one number that appears in every set of numbers, and that's the 12. You could look at each number in turn if you want, but we're doing this fairly quickly. So just by inspection, I can see the 12 appears in all the sets of times table we're looking at. So what we need to do then is convert each fraction to 12ths. 2/3 becomes, well, we know it's going to be 12 on the bottom, and we know we need to, because we've times the bottom, 3 times 4 is 12, we need to times the top by 4 as well. 2 times 4 is 8. So the equivalent fraction that we're going to use for 2/3 is 8/12. Next, it's the same thing. We need to get 4 to 12. To get 4 to 12, we times it by 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Because we've times the bottom by 3, we need to times the top by 3. 3 times 4. Sorry. We need to times the top by 3 as well. We've times the bottom by 3. 3 times 4 is 12. We need to times the top by 3 as well. 3 times 3 is 9. We then look at the 5/6 fraction. This one could be argued is slightly easier. Times the bottom by 2 to get the 6, to turn the 6 into a 12. Got to turn times the top by 2, the 5 by 2 to get 10. And then finally, we've already got 12 on the bottom here, so 7/12 can remain as 7/12, and it's still comparable to the other 3 fractions. We'll then draw out our number line. We'll draw that a little bit higher, I think, because we're going to place these fractions on a number line. We want to order them. That's much better. We'll include 0 on a number line, and all these fractions are less than 1. So we might be advised to divide our number line roughly up into 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll say that this point here is 1/12. We won't bother with all the fractions we could put up, but we're going to go up in twelfths. So we've got 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12. And we've got 6/12, 7/12, 8/12, 9/12, 10/12. And by that point, we've ordered our fractions. We just need to convert back to make sure that we're placing our original fractions in the correct place. So 2/3, the equivalent fraction of 2/3 is 8/12. So we'll put this below just to show completeness on our answer. 2/3. Then 9/12 is the same as 3/4. 10/12 is the same as 5/6. And 7/12 is 7/12. So that's how you can convert and order a set of fractions.